Maya, okay, picture this. It's 1774. No electricity, no microchips, no internet. But there's a small boy sitting at a desk, and he's writing, like actually dipping a goose quill into ink, shaking his wrist so he doesn't smudge the paper, and writing a letter.
Wait, 1774? So what, he's like a very disciplined child?
No, that's the thing. He's not a child. He's a machine. A doll. This guy, Pierre Jaquet-Droz, who was basically the Elon Musk of Swiss watchmaking back then, built these 3 automata. And Maya, they are essentially the great-great-grandparents of the computer you're using right now.
No way, 1770s. I mean, I've seen those old wind-up toys that just sort of jiggle around, but you're saying he's actually writing?
Writing, drawing, and playing music. There are 3 of them, the musician, the draftsman, and the writer. And get this, they are still functional. You can go to a museum in Switzerland today and watch them do their thing. It's been 250 years.
Honestly, that's a little bit eerie, but incredible. Wait, tell me about the musician. Does she just move her arms while a music box plays?
See, that's what I thought. But no, she's a female organ player, and the music isn't a recording. She actually plays the instrument. Her fingers are custom built to press the keys, and while she's playing, her chest rises and falls like she's breathing. She even moves her head and eyes to follow her hands. It's like she's feeling the music.
Wow, that's actually really beautiful. It's not just mechanical. It's like they were trying to capture a soul in the clockwork.
Exactly. It's all gears and cams. Think of a cam like a physical piece of code. It's a disk with specific bumps and ridges that tell the machine exactly how to move. It's literally hardware that acts as software.
So how does the draftsman work? You said he draws?
He's a little boy sitting on a stool. He can draw 4 different pictures. One is a portrait of Louis XV. Another is a royal couple, probably Marie Antoinette and Louis XVI. And then there's a scene of Cupid in a chariot. But my favorite is the dog.
A dog?
Yeah, he draws a little dog and then writes Mon Tutu, which is basically my doggy, right next to it. And get this, while he's drawing, he'll periodically stop and blow on the paper to get the imaginary pencil dust off.
Oh my gosh, that's such a human touch. It's those little details, right? The breathing, the blowing on the dust. It's like they were showing off.
Oh, they were totally showing off. They built these to travel around Europe and show them to royalty to help sell their watches. It was the ultimate marketing campaign. But the writer, Maya, the writer is the real mind blower.
Okay, lay it on me. Why is the writer the MVP?
Because he's programmable.
Wait, really? In the 1700s? How do you program a doll made of wood and brass?
Okay, so the writer has about 6,000 parts. Inside his back, there's a wheel where you can select different characters. You can basically code him to write any custom text up to 40 letters long. They once had him write a message for the president of France. He dips the pen, moves his eyes to follow the words, and he even knows how to space the letters so he doesn't run off the page. It's literally a mechanical word processor.
I'm actually a little speechless. We think we're so advanced with our AI and our robots, but these guys were doing the foundation of that with nothing but springs and gears. It's kind of humbling, isn't it?
It really is. It's like they were dreaming of the future before the future even had a name.
It makes you want to see them in person, just to see that little shaking of the wrist with the ink. Speaking of seeing things, if you're enjoying these little deep dives into history's coolest corners, you should definitely join the loop. Come back tomorrow and get your daily curiosity fix with us. We love having you here on the porch.
Seriously, join us, because there's actually a lost 4th automaton.
Wait, a 4th one?
Yeah, it was called The Cave. It was this huge diorama with a palace carved into a rock, gardens, moving figurines, but it disappeared at some point in history. No one knows where it is.
Oh, that's heartbreaking. Imagine finding that in an old attic somewhere.
Right? But the fact that the other 3 survived through the French Revolution, through 2 world wars, it's a miracle. The History and Archaeology Society of Neuchâtel bought them in 1906 for 75,000 gold francs. Best investment ever.
It really is a sanctuary of craftsmanship. It's nice to think that even in a world that's moving so fast, these 3 little dolls are still there, breathing and writing, just like they were 250 years ago.
It's a reminder that humans have always been boundless when it comes to creativity. We just keep building on the giants who came before us, even the clockwork ones.
Well said, Leo. Well, I think that's our time for today.
Stay curious, everyone.
See you again soon. Stay curious.